Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be showing you how to make or produce pink lip balm at home. So pink lip balm is actually a kind of balm that has a way of making the lips look nice and beautiful. So I have listed out my ingredients there, and this is my coconut oil. Now I'm going to melt everything will be melted. That's my electric stove. I've set it on high. So I've poured my coconut oil inside. I'm going to add the beeswax. So like I said before, all the ingredients will be melted. Then later on it's going to be left to cool down and congeal and have the pink lip balm look and texture. So I've added my beeswax. So what I'll be adding next is my sweet almond oil. I've added my almond oil into the mixture while it is on fire or on heat. You can use any heat source of your choice. You can use stove, you can use a gas cooker, you can use an electric stove. So any heat that is available, you use it. So that's my shea butter. So just use these ingredients, melt them together. Then once it's hardened up, it will look like, and it will turn to the lip balm you usually buy in the market. So if you observe, you'll notice that my beeswax has melted. Now what is left to be melted now is my shea butter, which is going to melt very soon. My shea butter has melted. Now I'm going to turn off my electric stove. I've melted every necessary thing I need to melt. Now I have turned off my electric stove. So what is left to be added now is my color and fragrance, which I'm going to add next. The color and the fragrance. So that's the color. I'm going to add a very little of it, not much, just little, so it won't stain. The color is just to give the lip balm a nice appearance. So adding too much will cause it to stain. So just add a little. So if I have already turned off my electric stove, so I'll just confirm it to be sure that it is off. I'm going to add my fragrance. So remember, the color and fragrance should be added after you have turned off your stove. So you should add them while you have turned off your stove. What next is now I'm going to allow this to stay for at least 10 minutes. Most times you can get up to 20 minutes, but the aim is for it to cool down, because once it cools down, it will congeal and start becoming thick. So you can see it's getting thick. So the more it cools down, the thicker it gets. So I'll leave it to cool down. So if you observe, you notice it's getting more thick than before. That's because it is cooling down now. It's getting, the temperature is reducing. It's no more hot again. So the more it cools down, the thicker it gets. So I'll keep stirring to make sure that everything mixes very well. You can see the lip balm is coming out. So this is very simple to make. It's not actually difficult. If you can follow all the procedure that I used here, you make a very nice and wonderful lip balm at home. Then if you check the description of this video, you will see a link to our Facebook group where I usually teach skincare and household production. You can check the description, you'll see the link. If you wish to join the group, you can just click and join our Facebook group where you can get trained on how to produce a lot of skincare and household products. So I just want to thank you all for watching this video and see you next time on our next video. Goodbye and have a nice time.